Before you die, my friend, seek the Lord. Seek the Lord. Before you die, my friend, seek the Lord. Seek the Lord. Oh, bless you, bless you, bless you, dear, bless you. Good evening, good evening. I run go down Bible study at church. Hello, Mr. Fansa. Hello, hello. You see Bryan Hopayade, you left Bryan Hopayade, Mr. Fansa? So what it is now? What it is now? Hmm? Yes, I left Bryan up at the house. Yes, Mr. Fansa. Me pregnant for your grandson. Yes. And him a hide from me. But if he thinks say him not mind a pick me, he make a sad mistake. Eh? Me never send call him fi come look me. I never send call him. Him know say me have my boyfriend and him pushing himself and pushing himself. All he tell me, I tell him say me no in and nothing with him. Hmm? And when me go at the party, and me and him there they attack and him say my buy me one drink. Yes, me take the drink. Never know say the boy splice the drink. Eh? When me wake up in the morning, hey, Mr. Fanso, let me tell you. Which part me find myself in the morning, me couldn't believe. It's that time I realize, say, him do something to the drink where him give me. I see it there now. A clinic me I come from. I mean, I tell you, say, from the start, go a clinic. He not say nothing to me. Me come and me talk to him about the pregnancy. Nothing him not say. Him son of him own. Him, because he know say me have my boyfriend. He son of him, but me know say of him coming. No say me never pregnant. Me know me never pregnant. Me know me never pregnant. Yes, true me go at the party. Me know me never pregnant. I'm from me pregnant. No him no say. Yes, my boyfriend him take the pregnancy, but me know say I feel Bryan one. And next month me I have baby. He better do something. Oh, if you know what is good for you, you see, you go and look for your parents and leave me alone. Make me go to church, you hear? Because me the pa my last parados right now, and I wouldn't like for no make it. You hear? So I begging you, man, leave me alone. It's so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take him at his word, just to rest upon his promise, just to know thus said the Lord. You make me come to scramble go with me, I go your ear. Because them are young people here. Them know how them priorities straight. Eh? Enough for me time. Eh? For me priority did straight. Because enough for me time forget one decent woman. And the parents them. And the parents them put the thing together. But in a this a generation, this walk round with them loose self from here to there and all about them not querying the matter. And then they talk about pregnancy. Eh? That's why you have so much jacket out there. These things. Sometimes you know, man, I tell you, when this a man you left from who will go over there, so go walk. You know, find out if them are family. Yeah? He go over there so and he get one dozen picnic over there. He come over here so he get some. And in this one them, when you realize and you buck up, you good there with your family them. In that generation because what? Too much jacket there. The man they now horn up to the picnic them and the woman them this loose. All and all them do is just spread out their foot like card pack. Eh? You know when you throw out card, I saw them spread out. They no business. Our number are sure, then they spread out. And then when they catch up in a trouble now, them are come home to parents. To and grandparents. But they said me, I will hold a piece of thick here. Hey, if when they pick me they born, and I feel Bryan, because the DNA have to take you know. He now got this one up so. I mean not care if he picking you want to favor him. He have to take the DNA test before. I mean say if I feel picnic in Tanzania. In Tanzania. Because me woulda like to make it in. I mean I make nothing hinder me from make it. Okay. So what is the matter? Pregnant? For my grandson? That can't be real. My grandson that not even catch no way in a life yet. Him don't even have no way to push him head. So I don't know what you talking about, miss. I would advise you, see, ma, to find your rightful baby father. And don't try play any game with my grandson. Because I never grow him that way. And I don't want no hollows come tumble down pan for me grand picnic. You hear what me telling you? Alright. If the one Bryan ever thinks say him nah mind a picnic, he make a sad mistake. And him alone go there, but him may I get the picnic too. Him is the fittest one to get the picnic. And if him thinks that him not mind it, he make a sad mistake.